Now we're going to the aquarium. We're going to the aquarium now, right?
Yeah, doon tayo. Punta tayo doon.
Now we're gonna see Mikai's favorite animal.
Yeah.
He's gonna say, bird! Mikai say, fishing. Say, Mikai say, bird. Fly. Fishing.
Let's go dito sa may water.
Mikai say, I want bird. Hey. Yay. Okay, Mikai say, I want to. Can we write a fishing rod? See? Can we write a fishing rod?
Hindi masyado rin kita. Parang yung mga yati.
Delikado dito sa may...
Hey, Joshua!
Doon na lang tayo.
Let's go down. Let's go.
Let's go. Hindi na kay mami. Come. Hindi ko na kayo napicturean dyan.
Wala, hindi rin maganda spot eh. Nakaharang yung mga yate.
Ayun kaya, Matthew, ito.
Yay!
Oh. Dito anak. Kahit dito. Tawag din. Ano, are you tired? Okay.
Wala pa tayo nararating. Opo agad.
too tired. I wanna go.
Meron doon Gucci sa loob. May tindahan ng Gucci. Parang mall yan eh.
Oh, may Louis Vuitton din yan.
Ito?
Oh.
Tara sa loob. Ang init. Ayun o, Aquaventure, Dolphin, Marine Adventure.
Dito anak, dito. Nak, dito anak. Come here.
Hold my hand.
Hold ka ng hand kay kuya. Hawak ka ng kamay kay kuya.
She can read.
Yeah. Let's go there.
Maria.
Here. Mikay, come here. Baby, dito. This side.
Bird. I wait. Bird. Aww.
Oh, Nina.
Come here, bird.
Come here.
Aww. Tiny bird. Oh. On the chair. Tiny bird.
Hey.
Baby bird.
Halika na. Kakagating ka na. Kakain ka na. Ayun pa, meron pa doon. Meron pa doon.
You want to see birds?
Ay, si mami, oh. Iniwan na tayo ni mami tsaka ni ate. Dali, walk. Let's walk.
Let's go. Run so and we can see birds. Let's go. Let's go see birds. Mommy.
Dead end.
Iron Man. Parang nandito rin yung ano, nung last time nandito tayo. Yung Iron Man.
Oh, Cupid walks like the ocean and my arms.